In this video, I'll show you how to hard reset a Lenovo PC or laptop. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. Go to System, then scroll down and click on Recovery. Next to Reset this PC, click Reset PC. You'll now see two options. Keep My Files keeps your personal files but removes apps and settings. Remove Everything deletes all data for a complete reset. Choose the option that suits you. Next, select how you want to reinstall Windows. Local reinstall for a quicker setup, or cloud download to get a fresh copy from the internet. You can also click Change Settings for more customization. Click Next and wait while Windows prepares everything. You can check View Apps that will be removed to see what will be deleted. Finally, click Reset to begin. That's it. Your Lenovo laptop will reset and return to a like-new state. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.